How to claim Discord Nitro without using credit card. Now this is very quick and very easy. All you have to do is either log into your Discord account. It's either through your browser or through the software from Discord. Now if you're completely logged in, all you have to do is to go to Nitro and just choose on any subscription you want. For example, we'll choose on the basic one, which is a Nitro Basic. So just click on subscribe and choose your specific method. It's if gonna be yearly or monthly. Now say for example choose on yearly and choose select. Now, from here you'll have three options. It's either your card through PayPal or GCash. For you to be able to secure a payment method without using a credit card, you'll still have two options, whether your GCash application or your PayPal. So for you to be able to choose it, just choose either of these options except for the card. So that's it. That's how you can claim your Discord Nitro without using your credit card.